Here are 4 words that you can use to describe nature that does not include the word nice. First word, soothing. This means having a calming or comforting effect. The soothing sound of the waves helped her fall asleep quickly. Verdant. This means green with grass or other rich vegetation, lush and fertile. The verdant hills were covered with thick, vibrant greenery after the spring rains. Tranquil. Free from disturbance, calm. The tranquil garden was a perfect place for meditation. Pristine. In its original condition, clean and unspoiled. The grass on the golf course looked pristine as if untouched by human hands. Please leave a comment letting me know which word was your favorite and if I chose the right scenery for each word. I am Gail, Miss Green to my students, and I hope to have many more nature videos. So like, subscribe, comment, and share with a friend. Thanks for watching.